Got our 2025 Kia Seltos here. We're going to reset that oil life reminder, or just check these general settings. Going to be using this right-hand switch pack, the page, and then you have up and down and OK here. So hit the page until you get to the little gear. Scroll down to convenience. And here you can see service interval. We can go in there. If it's not enabled, you can click OK again to enable it. You can adjust how many miles you'd like. You can just go up, down. Every time you click OK, it's going to adjust the mileage. So say you wanted 5,000 miles, that's how you do it. Or let's say 6 months as well. You can save that information. If your change oil now light is on, if your service interval is enabled, you can just go to reset. You can reset that distance and time by clicking yes like that. Hope that helps. That's all there is to it.